So, when we think about the universe, the two most common questions that knock the back door of our brain are number one, how it was created, and number two, how it will destroy. And the third most popular question is, does it have an end, or it is stretched up to infinity? So, that is another topic. In this video, we are going to describe how the universe could probably end. So, before starting, we should discuss the terms and conditions first. So, the first condition is always at least two forces are acting on an heavenly body. It may be two planets or even two galaxies. So, what are the two forces? The two forces are number one, an attractive force, which is the gravitational force, and number two, a repulsive force, which is the dark energy created by the dark matter. According to the scientist, the dark matter is responsible for the universe expansion. So, it always wants to repulse between two heavenly bodies like two galaxies, and the gravitational force acts as an attractive force between the two and tries to bring things closer. Our second condition is any of the three given theories, the Big Rip, the Big Freeze, and the Big Crunch may take place, and become Thanos or the Galactus and become the reason for end of our loving universe. It all depends upon the two forces. If the gravitational force wins, then the Big Crunch may take place, and if the dark matter wins, then the Big Freeze or the Big Rip may take place. Now closing your eyes, think about the universe. What do you see? A black empty space filled by hanging or floating planets and stars, packed together. Planets closer to the stars, not too closer, experience the heat of it, like the Earth, and have a well condition. But other planets like the Pluto don't receive the heat of the sun, so they freeze. Repeating such a situation in a large scale, we get the Big Freeze. Our universe is constantly expanding with an unbelievable amount of force supplied by the dark energy by the dark matter. By this, the galaxies will move more and more further away from each other. Same the solar systems, same the planets from the stars. So what we conclude is that the source of the heat will go away from us, same as the Pluto. We ourselves, our planet Earth, will also freeze. Like this, all the other planets will also freeze. But what about the stars? After burning a lot, their fuel, which is the hydrogen gas, will come to an end, and they will end up their lives being a white dwarf or a neutron star. What are these two things we will discuss in another video. For now, don't panic. Such conditions of universe may probably be possible after millions and billions of years from now. Maybe by that time, our Earth itself is destroyed by us. If you like our video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon and like the video. And our next video topic will be the Big Crunch.